Foshan Apex Refrigeration Equipment Limited is a professional commercial refrigerator supplier in South China. We specializing in the full value chain of commercial refrigerator encompassing R&D sales and after-sales service. We own affiliated manufacturing factory, which has been equipped with 26 advanced and specialized production lines after long-term array upgrading, including sheet metal processing, high-precision laser cutting, mold forming, stamping press, high-density foam insulation, final assembly, and intelligent automatic inspection lines. These cover the production of upright coolers, back bar coolers, freezers, with an annual capacity of 150,000 sets of refrigerators. This enables full scene production coverage from residential to commercial refrigeration solutions. Our professional R&D team provides global commercial refrigeration solutions, supporting ODM and OEM services. The company has established the efficient production ecosystem, intelligent warehousing, precision testing, and efficient logistics. This setup ensures rapid response to personalized comfortization needs, supports mixed production of multi-products, and achieves short lead times with high productivity. Equipped with a high, low-temperature testing chamber and reliability testing center, the factory implements 28 rigorous quality inspection processes across raw material incoming production and finished product outgoing stages, maintaining a first-pass quality rate of over 99.8%. Our products have been exported to more than 50 countries and regions across the globe, and we always uphold the core principle of mutual benefit and win-win cooperation, earning strong recognition and trust from customers worldwide. Warmly welcome partners to visit our factory, cooperate with us, and join hands for shared success in the refrigeration industry.